Now let's solve this. We're asked to simplify 4 over 9 multiplied by 2 whole number 1 over 4. Solution. This is already a proper fraction, so we write it. We have 4 over 9 multiplied by. Here we have a mixed number, which we will then write as an improper fraction. And to do that, we have 4, which is the denominator, multiplied by the whole number 2, plus the numerator, which is 1, and then we keep the denominator. Let's simplify this. So we have 4 over 9 multiplied by, now 4 multiplied by 2 will give us 8, plus 1, and then we have 9 over 4. So when we multiply the numerators, we'll have 4 times 9, and for the denominators, we have 9 times 4. And 4 multiplied by 9 will give us 36. And it's the same answer for the denominator. So 9 times 4 is also 36. The highest common factor for the numerator and denominator is 36. So we divide both of them by 36. And we'll get 1 over 1. And 1 divided by 1 is just 1. So our final answer is 1. Thank you.